Whenever you're ready, man.
Quiet on the set.
I'm kidding, dude. You're fine. All right, hey, what's up, guys? Anthony with OC Automotive and Diagnostics. Just talk real quick. We got a 2020 Kia Soul here. Customer came in. Her initial complaint was there's just stuff leaking from under her car. Once we picked up the vehicle, we could see there was a ton of oil leaking everywhere under here. But we also did find her radiator hoses were leaking, or at least her, was it the upper or the lower, Kyle? The lower hose that was leaking, but she opted to take care of upper and lower. And then we obviously do our courtesy inspection on the vehicle, and we found that she was about to be metal to metal on her rear brakes. So we took care of that as well for her. And right now Kyle is just bleeding the cooling system, and then we'll take it for a test drive and deliver this and call her a done deal. But yeah, this is kind of stuff we do here at OC Automotive. Please reach out if we can be of assistance. Thank you.